repping, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Alright, yo, what's up guys, Willie Bros here. This is Chase. I definitely know I got a lot of explaining to do you guys. Voice crack. I'm just gonna say it right now, I've been so busy. I've just been camping a lot. It's summer for me, so school, I mean, I do care about it, but summer I just like to enjoy things. So yeah. I would tell you the truth, I really haven't wanting to been making videos because I don't know, I just been so lazy. But I just decided to today, so I'm gonna show you guys something too. But whoa, that was pretty bad. But anyways guys, kinda looks like someone's down there. But yeah, look at this. I don't know if you can see, but I got my graphics on. Pretty flippin' sweet, I think. So yeah. I'm gonna be starting soccer soon as well. So looks like somebody's down here. But yeah, I've been down here a little bit too with my friends and stuff. I really don't know who that is. I know quite a bit of people around here, so I really hope they aren't hunters. I don't think it's hunting season just yet. Can't even hear anything. I think it's a tractor. Oh no, that's a side by side. I think it's the people who mow lawns, or mow the grass maybe? I really have no clue. I do know those guys, to tell you the truth. It's one of my friend's uncles. But you guys don't know my friend. He hasn't been on any of the videos. I gotta go slow through here, guys, because it's really rocky, and last time I went through here with my cousin, I got a flat tire in the front. So knock on wood, guys. Pray for me I don't get a flat tire. Because that really does suck a lot. I've been going to the tracks too. I've been to Doug's. That's a close track in here. Or around here. And Willie's is another. He's a local rider. Has a track behind his house. I really like his track. I mean, Doug's is nice too. He doesn't listen very well. And I'm sorry, Doug, if you're actually watching this. I don't know if you. I don't even know if you watch YouTube, but I'm just going on a really big rant right now. But he asked us if he wanted water, and then he asked another guys if they wanted water, and we all said no, and he still did, and they got my papa mad. Oh, come on, Shay. That's a pretty, I guess, not decent, but it is pretty decent jump. Now, I don't even know if this is recording. Just really over them. I've been messing with my bike too, so it's good for racing. Or I shouldn't say racing, I don't race, but go to the track and stuff. I got I forgot what they're called, but they go under my handlebars. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments below. They're kind of like washers, but they're a lot bigger than washers, like thicker wise. And they just make your handlebars stand up taller, because I'm pretty tall. I'm having a brain fart right now. I can't even think of the name. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's making me angry. I don't know what the name is. I'm just turning around here, guys. I'm thinking about buying some handguards, actually, guys. For my bike. And I don't, yeah, might be buying some handguards, I don't know yet. But, I just went to Unadilla 2016 on April 13th, yeah. So maybe you guys were there who's watching this. I was going for Faulkner 250. Actually, I should say Faulkner Savage, or I think it's Savage, I don't know. Sorry if I got your name wrong. And Cincerillo. But you guys want to know a cool thing. I don't know if it's a big deal for you, but it's a big deal for me. I texted him on Instagram asking what happened because I saw him pull off the track, and I saw him just collapse off the track on the side of a jump. And I texted him, and you know he's pretty famous and stuff, so he won't really answer things, I don't think. Oh. And he answered mine, and I asked him, I told him like, good job, good race. And I asked him like what happened and stuff like that. And he answered me, and he said he had a heat stroke. He had like somewhat of a heat stroke. Which sucks because he was doing pretty good actually. In the second moto. And he had to pull out. It was like 92 degrees though, guys. And you're sweating your balls off doing racing. Yeah, I mean, nothing really much. If you can die getting heat stroke. So, I mean, once you start going blurry or something like that, you gotta get off and drink some water and rest, because you can die from getting heat stroke. So, but I bet you this made Fortner so mad, and all like Cincerello and Savage, because first moto, first 3 laps there was a red flag, and all 3 of them were Fortner first, Cincerello second, and Savage third, and then there was a red flag. And so I believe Fortner and Cincerello and Savage, they did pretty good, but Fortner, he didn't have very good luck, because he 26 on the Yamaha, he went down in a corner and Fortner hit him and got stuck. So he came in like 10th place, I believe. Which, he was a guy who just came in, was in, who was in like first place for leading the first 3 laps, and then red flag. So yeah. I mean, there's nothing much you can really do, but I think that's really all I got for you guys today, but yeah. So, I'm just gonna put music in this part, so yeah. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. That was rough right there. That was rough. Right, I don't have a goddamn flat tire after that one. Hopefully I don't. I think I'm good. Yeah, look at where I went. That's freaking nuts. I almost fully figured out. That would have been bad. I haven't been on the bike in a little bit either, so. I mean, yeah, excuses, but. Holy crap, it's all slick. No traction. Oh, traction. Now let's go around the track real fast. goes down like here, I think. Whoa. Gotta use the clutch a little bit. Alright guys, I guess that'll be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And it would be awesome if we could get 10 likes. I don't know how we'll do because I haven't uploaded in a little bit. So I don't know if everybody will be watching. But let's try and get this channel to grow, man. I definitely believe we can do it. So yeah. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be soon. I'll keep doing this more often now. I just need to get back in the groove. So yeah, make sure you guys see you in the next video.